Hey there, amazing farmers and future agripreneurs. Welcome back to CamelAgri TV, where we grow knowledge, harvest success, and celebrate the power of African agriculture. Today, we're diving into one of the most important steps in farming, land preparation. Whether you're planting maize, vegetables, or fruit trees, how you prepare your land can determine your entire season's success. So stay with me. Land preparation isn't just about digging the soil, it's about building a strong foundation. We'll talk about clearing, testing the soil, when to plow, and the tools you need. Whether you're using hand tools or tractors, there's a method that works best for your farm. If you've ever wondered, how do I prepare my land for a great harvest? You're in the right place. And if you're new here, Karibu Sana. We're all about farming solutions that work right here in Africa for African farmers. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It helps us grow this channel and keep sharing practical, hands-on farming tips every week. So grab your notebook, grab your hoe or your tractor, and let's prepare that land the CamelAgri way.